Hello everyone, welcome to Daily English.
Hi! Today we will practice 100 daily English sentences that you can use in your life. Let's start.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. What's your name?
My name is Bidhan.
Nice to meet you, Bidhan.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. How about you?
I'm from Bangladesh too. How old are you?
I am 25 years old. What do you do?
I'm a student. And you?
I work in an office.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I need some water.
Here you go. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Let's eat.
Great. What's for breakfast?
I like tea. Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love chocolate ice cream.
It's very hot today.
Yes, it's really hot. Please open the window.
Okay, I will open it.
Thank you. Please close the door too. I'm tired.
I understand. I'm happy today.
Really? Why?
I'm excited because it's the weekend.
That's great. I'm a little sad today.
Oh no, why are you sad?
I'm angry because I lost my keys.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Let's go to school.
I'm going to work now.
Okay, I'm going home.
How was your day?
My day was good. How about yours?
My day was bad. I'm busy now.
I'm free now. Please wait a minute.
Okay, I will call you later.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure. By the way, I lost my phone.
Oh no, did you find it?
Yes, I found my wallet too.
That's good. Where is the bathroom?
It's over there.
I'm feeling sick. I need a doctor.
I can help you find one.
Thank you. I'm learning English. Can you speak slowly?
Sure. I don't understand this. Can you repeat it?
Of course. What does this mean?
How do you say this in English?
I like your dress.
Thank you. You look beautiful too.
You look handsome.
How much is this?
It's very expensive.
I want to buy this.
I want to sell this.
I'm going shopping. Do you have change?
Yes. Can I pay by card?
Sure.
I love this song. Can you play it?
Sure. Let's watch a movie later.
I like reading books.
I like watching TV and listening to music.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football and cricket.
I am going to the park.
It's raining today.
It's sunny today.
It's cloudy today.
Be careful.
Don't touch it.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Go straight.
Stop here. I'm lost.
Can you show me the way?
How far is it?
It's near.
It's far.
I like traveling.
I want to visit Dhaka.
I like my family.
I like my friends.
Let's meet tomorrow.
See you later.
Have a nice day.
Good night.
That's all for today's episode. Practice these sentences every day, and soon you will speak English fluently.